take a moment to show my gratitude and my appreciation for everyone in the PRC team. The past few weeks, we have made a lot of changes due to the coronavirus. We have all been asked to make sacrifices to ensure our safety and health by following the guidelines to help slow and reduce the spread of the virus. This is especially important to help to protect our loved ones. Let me reassure you that by standing together, we'll get through this. I wanted to express my thanks to all of you and your families who are working very hard to respond to the situation. I deeply appreciate everything you guys are doing. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.
We know it's hard to wake up in the mornings and leave your families behind. We thank you for your dedication and your time. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.
For your long hours, for your late night calls, for your hard work, thank you.
Thank you all and your families for the sacrifice that you're making.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I know that it's hard sometimes leaving your families behind and worrying about their safety. We appreciate everything you do for us.
For being in the front lines and your hard work, thank you.
Gracias por las sonrisas en las mañanas, las conversaciones y más que nada el apoyo durante estos tiempos tan difíciles.
Thank you for being the strength that pushes us forward.
En estos tiempos difíciles quiero agradecerles a todos el mirarlos venir cada mañana, el estar en su escritorio, dar su 100%. Lo valoro mucho, quiero agradecerles de corazón, así que gracias a todos.
Gracias por su dedicación, ustedes me inspiran.
Thank you for all your dedication, your hard work, and your bravery. With my sincerest gratitude, I thank you.
Gracias por estar con nosotros en estos momentos difíciles. Juntos saldremos adelante. Mantente protegido.
Yo les quiero dar las gracias a todos por el sacrificio que están haciendo por sus familias, por la compañía y por todos los clientes que tenemos que necesitan nuestra ayuda. Gracias.